Planning to invest in open plot but feeling confused? Worried about EMI and managing finances? Getting the right home loan isn't always easy. Choosing the right growth location matters most. Expert guidance makes your site visits simpler. From documentation to secure registration. Next comes proper planning and layout marking. Construction begins with a strong foundation. Quality materials delivered directly to site. Reliable plumbing for long-lasting comfort. Safe electricals for everyday living. Perfect finishing brings your home alive. Your dream home almost ready. Celebrate your new beginning with joy. Buildnex Core LLP, from plot to home. From open plot to dream home, Buildnex Core handles it all.